Whatever you have, fold over it. We're going to pass our papers to the right. So once you fold over your paper, pass it to the person on your right. Raise your right hand in the air and pass it to the person to your right.
Look, Reed, you're to my right.
Pass it to the right.
That's my right.
This is it. Right, this is
Yeah,
mine.
within the group. Within the group.
It's not.
Make sure you're passing just within the group. All right. Once you have that next paper, you guessed it. We're going to start just writing an example of that next decision that you have written on your paper.
A big decision? Don't read it.
You're supposed to read.
Don't read the decisions that other people have written quite yet. We just want to focus on yours. We'll talk about them all at the end.
What? You have to co-write. You have to
Yep. So now you're going to write about
That's how much I wrote.
Wait a minute, so I'm going to write mine.
Yeah, so you're going to write now yours. Yep, go ahead and get started. We're going to write for a couple minutes here.
Wait, what?
What's the word you have written on yours?
Huh, alright.
Impulse decision.
Wait, do we write it right there?
Yeah, write it on the next part of the paper.
Okay.
So just know what this type of decision is, and then you're going to write your example under the person before you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Whether I do what I do. Do we fold it again?
Yeah. As you get done, fold over that next part. You got a few seconds to finish up here. No pressure, just get it done.
That's a good old thing.
Yeah, fold over what you just wrote. And as you finish, go ahead, pass it to your right.
Good thing.
Pass it to your right. And wait for just a second. We're not going to start until everybody's ready. Last couple words down.
Did you just whistle?
No,
Give me.
that was the chick. All right. Does everybody have their next paper?
I'm so sorry.
All right. Well, you go ahead, read what's at the top of your paper, and then write your example. Remember to be specific. Give some detail. seconds to finish up your thought.
Is it this thing? This is it.
I don't find it.
What's it reading it?
Raise your hand if you still need some more time. Group of 4 in the back, as soon as you're ready. I think we still need to switch one.
Everyone. Dang it.
It's 1:42. I'm ready to leave. I don't have a good stand.
I have to go to food to do that.
Same.
With this model over here.
That was
Let's keep the noise down for just a few more minutes. You'll need those original papers. So.
We need our Chromebooks in here?
No, you don't. Scully asked a good question. You do not need your Chromebook. Just make sure your notes are saved. That paper should be going back to the original person that it started with.
My original paper. 3, 1. There you go.
Make it a lot harder.
Puppy.
Can I read mine? Don't read mine, Louis.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through and we're just going to talk about our examples. So once the group in the back is finished here in just a second, what I want y'all to do is we're going to go one at a time. So we'll start with the routine decision. So whoever has that paper, you'll read your example and then give it to the next person so they can read theirs. So we're going to all 3 or all 4 read our routine examples, talk about them, and then pick one, and then your group will share that. Okay? So go ahead, read aloud your routine decision to your group. Everyone should read aloud, and then we will be talking about it in a second.
I'll go first, no way.
Read aloud.
Routine.
Just routine. Just routine first.
Wait, do I read everybody?
No, read yours and then pass it to the next person.
I go home and decide whether to do homework for 30 minutes or do not do it at all. That's the time to do
One routine decision that I have to make every day is waking up in the morning and going to school.
My routine decision is waking up in the morning and taking a shower and brushing my teeth because
My teeth.
I would have bad hygiene if I didn't.
Bad hygiene.
Hygiene. That is the whole meaning I would stink. Okay.
That's me every day.
Quitting
Go ahead,
dance was
volunteer
an
someone,
impulse
distribute,
decision
share.
because I didn't have the same knowledge that I had for 10 years ago.
From your group to share.
Just one person?
Your turn for this.
Try to pick the best example.
Yeah, who has the best
Impulse
routine?
decision when I play Xbox or whether to stop the fight.
One impulse decision is what hip flash should I use? Should I use the red one or the blue one?
I think that's the best impulse one.
Wait, did we decide what's this one?
Read.
Alright,
What about this one?
Who's y'all?
one big decision is
Just be doing routine
big decision. One decision is college. If you want to go to another big decision is choosing with the right friends to hang out with. Sierra usually listen about it.
My big decision
Alright,
in my
Tiara's
life
group.
that I've
Let's
made
bring it back
was
in.
choosing to get my
Bring it
heart
back
checked
in.
out.
Tiara's group. What was your example of a routine decision?
Debris yours.
You'll read yours.
Read?
I'll read to you. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, a routine decision that I make is getting up in the morning and brushing my teeth and taking a shower. This is a good decision because if I were not to do that, I would have really bad hygiene.
Good. So, what about taking a shower and getting up early? What about those things makes it a routine decision?
Because you do it every day.
Yeah, because you do it every day. Remember that a routine decision is something that you do all the time, every day. Good, thank you. Let's have one more group. Honey, how about yours?
Every morning I wake up and I look for what I want to wear for school.
Good. What clothes you wear? It's a solid routine. Some people probably take longer than others for that one. Anybody else have something different?
Yeah.
Luz, what do you have?
Never mind, I'm just thinking.
Ricardo says he has a decision on whether or not to feed his deer in the morning.
To do what?
To feed his deer.
Oh, to feed a steer. I thought you said beat a steer. I was like, man, that's savage.
She does.
I was like, man, that poor creature. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's talk. We only have a few minutes left. I really want to get to this one. Let's talk about our big decisions. So everybody go ahead and read aloud. If you haven't already done it, read your big decisions. And we'll talk in just about maybe 30 seconds, so go quick.
5. My big decision could have been like the life or death of me. It really could have. I could be dead right now. So sad. School would be so boring if I was dead.
Oh yeah, yours definitely was.
I died. I had a heart problem.
You have a heart problem?
Like with me?
Yes.
What is it?
It's just a 2nd degree heart problem, but I can't die from it, and I don't have to have surgery because it's not curable.
Raise your hand if you still need more time.
Yeah, but at first I had an
All right.
abnormal heart.
We are ready. All right. Group in the back, Rosie's group. What is your big decision?
As of right now, I'm deciding when I should take the ACT and ICT test so I can go to college, and also deciding when I should go and finish taking the TSA.
Okay. Got to figure out the test. Yeah, that's totally a big decision. What could happen if you don't think, like, if you don't put enough planning into those decisions?
Then you're just gonna let the
Could be
test, if
life-changing.
you just wing it, then you're gonna end up like making a bad score on it, which would not get you into a good college.
Yeah, you got to study because if you don't put the effort in, then it could affect something else. That's that cause and effect. All about the cause and effect today, Mariela. You're on it.
Oh yeah.
Ladies in the back, let's hear from you two. What is your big decision? Who had it? Luz?
Whether to go to college or not, since I'm a junior.
Yeah?
I have to start planning now.
Have you started planning now?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, we took the ass off it.
Yeah, you did. I remember that. I know I was in the same boat as you. I didn't think about it until I was a senior. I totally recommend not doing that. Save
Well,
yourself
where you
some
are, you
trouble.
seem okay.
I appreciate that, but I was a very stressed out senior. Save yourself some stress.
I'm already freshman, I'm stressed.
Freshman year.
Good.
Great years.
All right, so those are some good examples. We're gonna review really quick. What's a routine decision?
Something you do
Every
every day.
Every day. All right, what's an impulse decision?
A decision you make on the spot.
On the spot.